Good morning, lovely children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class, you are going to learn question answers and textbook exercises from lesson number 4. Okay, so this is your EVS book. So, dear children, open at page number 16. Okay, so this is your fourth lesson. Name of your lesson is being safe. Being safe. Okay, children. So in last video you have learned about safety. What is safety? What is safety? Safety means, here is the answer, safety means staying away from danger or injury. Okay, just stay safe from danger or injury. Stay away from danger or injury. Okay, and next one, safety at home. So you must stay away from fire, candles, okay, burning candles, matchsticks, gas stove, okay, and hot things, hot utensils, and also sharpen things also. You must stay away from these things at your home. Okay, then do not touch electrical wires, switches, okay, and so that we can get a shock. If you are touching with your wet hands, touching the switches or electric things means you may get a shock. Okay, so next, and you should not allow any unknown persons. Okay, so if you feel uncomfortable means what you have to do, you have to inform to your parents or your grandparents. Okay, so next one, safety in school. What are the safetiness you should follow in school? Let's see. You must not run on the stairs. Okay, you should not run on the steps. You should not push each other in the corridor or in the classroom. You should not push your friend. Okay, so in the corridor you should not run. Okay, next, we must not insert a pencil or any other object into our mouth, eyes, nose or ears. Okay, so pencil or sharpen things you should not, okay, put into your eyes, nose or ears. Okay, so it is very dangerous one. Next, we should walk on or stand in a queue. So while you're going okay, while you're going washroom or any other places means what, how to stand, you have to stand in a queue like line. Okay, we should wait for our turn on the slide or a swing. Okay, so if you want to play in the playground means what you have to do, you have to stand. Okay, stand in a line and you have to wait for your turn. Okay, next, safety on the road. What you have to follow, you have to cross the road with only with your elders. Okay, only with your parents. Okay, so next, we must walk on the footpath. You have to walk, only you must walk on footpath. Okay, left side footpath. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. So this is the zebra crossing. Okay, you have to cross at the zebra crossing. We must not run on the road. Okay, always you have to walk on the left side footpath and you have to cross the road with your parents or elders. Okay, and you must not run on the road. Okay, children. Next ones, you can see quick connect. Write yes in the box if the action is safe. Okay, yes, here box, two boxes are given here. If this is safety means you have to write here yes, or not safe means what you have to do, unsafe means you. So trying to light a matchstick. Is this safe or not safe? Unsafe. Okay, so you unsafe. Touching matchboxes, matchsticks. This is not okay, good for you. Keeping things at their proper place. Keeping things is keeping things proper place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Okay, no? Now here you can see. Okay, now today's class we will learn about traffic lights. Okay, children, we will learn about traffic lights. So traffic lights, dear children, traffic lights are present at road crossings. Traffic lights are present at road crossings. You can see this type of traffic lights. Okay, so dear children, traffic lights are present at road crossing. Okay, roadside you can see this type of traffic lights. Okay, so in traffic lights 3 colors are there dear children. Okay, traffic lights 3 colors are there. So first one is red, yellow, and last one is green. Okay, so here red is for stop. Okay, children, stop. Then amber light says, okay, yellow also you can say amber light says slow down, and green says go. Okay, green signal go. So here they help to control the traffic. Okay, that's the traffic lights help us to control the traffic. Okay, red light says stop. So here you can see red light says stop, and yellow or amber light says slow down. Okay, otherwise wait. Then next one, green light says go. We must cross the road only when the walk signal is green. So if it is on, this green signal is on, means you can walk, okay, on the footpath. Next, now dear children, textbook exercises, page number 19. Open it, page number 19. Choose the correct option. First main is choose the correct option. So first question, dear children, here you can see we should cross the road. Okay, we should cross the road at zebra crossing, dear children. Only we have to cross, okay, only at the zebra crossing. So this one is correct. Okay, zebra crossing, ZEBRA, zebra crossing, CROSSING, crossing. The green signal in a traffic light says green signal. Green color means go. Okay, so go is the right answer. Next, safety means staying away from injury, health, happiness, carefulness. So safety means what? We have to stay away from injury or danger. So injury is the right answer. Okay, this main write only in your textbook. No need to write in notebook. Now next page, dear children, here you can see read the clues, then fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Okay, instead of using knife or blades or to sharpen my pencil, instead of what you have to use? You have to use pencil sharpener instead of using knife or blades. Okay, blades and knife, that is not safe, dear children. Okay, ಅದು ಸೇಫ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್, PENCIL, pencil, SHARPENER, sharpener. Next, instead of playing with matchsticks, I should play with. Okay, do not use do not play with matchsticks or any fire things and sharpen things. Instead of these you have to use toys. Okay, soft toys. Next, match the following. Okay, zebra crossing, red light, green light, yellow light, sharp object. This side you can see knife, to cross the road, slow down, stop, go. So here zebra crossing, to cross the road. Okay, next red light means stop. Then next one green light, go. The next one, the yellow light, slow down. Then sharp object, knife. Okay, so this like you have to match it. So next main, answer the following questions, dear children. First question, why should we not touch electric switches with wet hands? So it is not safe to touch with wet hands. Okay, to touch electric switches, electric things with the wet hands, it is not safe. Why, dear children? Because it may get shock. Okay, so here is the answer. Why should we not touch electric switches? So we may get a shock, so that we do not touch any electric items with our wet hands. Okay, next, what is safety, dear children? Now tell me, what is safety? Here you can see safety means staying away from danger or injury. Okay, safety means staying away from danger or injury. Next question, write any one way in which we can stay safe at home. So this is okay, write your own answers here. Okay, we must stay away from fire, gas stove, hot utensils and sharp or pointed things. Okay, at home you have to follow these things. Stay away from fire, gas stove, hot utensils or sharpened things. Okay, children. So one more main is there. Here you can see unscramble the given words. So this side the words are not in correct order. This side you have to write the correct name. So here see, now this side you can see, dear children, YTSAEF. Okay, so there is no meaningless words. Okay, but this side you can see, okay, we arranged and it is the correct word. Okay, safety, SAFETY, safety. Traffic, TRAFFIC, traffic. BLADES, blades. Injury, INJURY, injury. Light, LIGHT, light. FIRE, fire. CANDLE, candle. ELDER, elder. PUSH, push. DANGER, danger. So this means, so in this lesson, first main, okay, new words already. Okay, this main over. So next main is unscramble the given words. Then next one, answer the following questions. Okay, first question, why should we not touch electric switches with wet hands? Because we may get a shock. Okay, what is safety? Safety means staying away from danger or injury. Staying away from danger or injury is called safety. So write any one way in which we can stay safe at home. We must stay away from fire, gas stove, hot utensils and sharp or pointed things. Okay, so only three questions are there, and textbook means write only in textbook. No need to write in notebooks. Okay, children. So this lesson is also over. Okay, being safety is also over. So do practice, dear children. Question answers and difficult words write in practice. Okay, daily you have to do two questions, you have to learn and practice. Okay, so thank you, dear children. See you again in the next class. Okay, so thank you, children.